Okay, here's another one I won't be able to go inside of, but we will be able to video outside. Look at that. Cute rabbit on there. And it was a cafe and a gas station. And look at those old pumps. You don't see them like that anymore. Look at, you even can see the inside. Oops. Look at that. I remember those kind of pumps when I was a kid. It was regular before they had unleaded. Well, I guess they had unleaded, but they had regular and unleaded, because that one says unleaded. Wow. Those are some old pumps there. Yeah, they got it all fenced off so you can't go in. And I'm pretty sure that when it's fenced off like this, that they really, seriously, do not want you in there. Just think, people would stop here and fill up with gas and fill up their tummies with food from the cafe. And that little guy was here to greet them. Isn't that something? And I betcha the people lived right here. Well, maybe not. I don't know. Look at the rocks. They got a ton of rocks around. And look at that. Where'd the door go? Oh, it's over there. Up here. It's really cool. Really cool. All right. I guess please like and subscribe. And there's the Xena, warrior princess, our chariot to our adventures. And I'm going to, oh wow, there's a cafe RV park and gas. So that was what was over there. They had it all going on. And so, looks like some people still live in the RV park. There's mailboxes. And so that was the motel. That must have been the motel. Looks like someone lives in there. And those were the tanks probably for the gas. Oh boy, I sure would love to go into this place. They had little benches and stuff out there. Picnic tables. Wow. And there's the little road probably went out to the sites for the RVs to park. Alright. Please like and subscribe. Maybe we'll find another one we can go inside of like that one we did. Alright. Thank you so much. And please like and subscribe. And we're going that way. Alright. Bye.